Hello everyone. We're looking at the market conditions for SPY, QQQ, IWM, and VIX. Looks like a double bottom there, but no, doesn't apply for QQQ. It's forming a lower low. Let's look at VIX. 1850 already, my goodness. Oh, there's a gap. It's gonna keep going as this goes down. This goes down, SPY goes down. Amazing. Okay. There's a gap here too. It's crazy. Gaps everywhere. Gap bottom, gap at the top. Okay. Let's be a bear this time. Oh, SPY. 15 minutes. Usually when it goes down, it goes faster than when it goes up. How can I switch screens on StreamYard? Let me see. Okay, we have a better overview of what's happening here. I'll put it on a different screen here. Okay. All right, let's make some money in this market. Like the overbought RSI at 33, also very low. But it was the same here too. Come on, get out of here. I don't need to see your indicators. 35. I'm gonna enter a call and play it to this level really quick. Let's see. Cool. Expires today. 6:14. Okay. Double bounce. Target is only 618.83. 8% up already. Give it to Daddy now. That's weird. Give it to Papa. This is a very nice entry. I'm gonna put my stop losses already. So make sure I don't lose money in this market. So I bought it at 44. That's my stop loss right here. So I'm putting on my entry. I'm gonna sell it at 45, 44. Same entry. I expect keep dumping. Let me see. 619 is right at this level right here. Obviously, I'm not trying to make $1. This is the power of options. Options, you hold a contract to buy or sell 100 contracts at a time. 13%. Okay, I'm gonna close it. That's 10% profit already. That's nice. Thirteen percent up. Sold for how much? Let me see. That was beautiful, guys. 13, 14. That was 14%. In like 10 seconds? No, I'm kidding. A minute. That was nice, nice. Don't over welcome your stay. So I see some levels of a lot of pressure on the way low. RSI is at 48 already. So when it goes to 50, 60, it dumps already. Look, over here the RSI was only at 60 when it dumped. On a 30-minute view, I'm still following this downtrend. It's actually, that's the target that I had earlier. It's pretty much an empty gap. Look at that, that's funny. We have two options: recuperate all the gains from last day, from 2 days ago, or keep dumping to 616. Very nice support level. Look at that. It's moving up. Let's look at Tesla. Let's see really quick. Tesla is being nasty today. Choppy. Stay away. Costco. I was hoping for it to get to 972 to get in, but it went almost to 1,000. So next support level, I'm going to put a line here, 976. Earlier I was sharing the wrong link. That's funny. Anyway, let's go back. AMD. Nasty. Amazon. Signals I have. Maybe let me clean this up. Nasty moves in Amazon. Oh, this is gonna dump. Look at that level right here. Boom. It went through. Next level right here. You reuse this. And we don't need this from a couple days ago. Below the cloud. This is the VWAP. EMA, below the EMAs. This can go down more and more. Okay, nice. Good entries when it reaches the VWAP for a nice entry in the way down. Also, the clouds could be a good resistance. It broke the EMA 8, fighting against the 34. We can look at the news. 242 on the mid average, 195 on the down low. A lot of positive news, except for AMD stock. Amazon Prime is coming up. It's going to bring up a lot of money. You could play a call to them. But let's look, instead of that, let's look at QQQ. See, QQQ on Amazon looks the same. It's magic. Amazon. Might as well just look at SPY again. Man, SPY. Holding that call would have been nice. Let me see. 619. Man, it went 100% already. Very nice. Ooh. Target entry. Target right here, look. Drawings. You can buy a call. 619 in the money. Let's give you an example. It's $86 right now, right? I'm going to put it right here. $86. And it said it goes up. 89, 90 bucks. I mean, usually buy 10 calls, right? So 10% against 10 calls is 100%. And you're not spending too much money. It's 90 bucks, less than $100 usually. You don't need to have thousands of dollars to spend like $94. So 10 calls, 90 bucks, 900 bucks. You bought it at 800. It just went to 940, 960, 980. Give us 1,000. And then you just made 200 bucks in a couple minutes. Less than a couple minutes. It's all about the double bottom. I told you guys earlier on this double bottom pattern. And the levels too. This is a great point to exit. Sell it. Be happy with what you have. You're going to see how, as this retraces back, the cycles, this option is going to go down to, look, 88. It's not 100 anymore. You leave money on the table. You have to take your money and run. There could be another opportunity. We could do some Fibonacci cycles right now, but from what I see, I still am following this down pattern. It's gonna up. It's gonna come touch this.
I'm on a Tesla.
Call? Tesla put or call?
Call and put. I actually did a put, but I got a call.
Call and put.
So I did both.
What dangerous. I'm gonna have to watch a Tesla now. VIX is going up. No, cooling down. So stock goes up. Could be momentarily, but it's so high, 18. VIX can go to 50. Look at that. As this goes up, SPY goes down. It's below the cloud, so it's going to go down, and the SPY goes up. But it doesn't go below 10. That's the max it can go. Crazy. Man, I used to play the market when it was 300. I'm just buying a call option at that point. No, even after the crash and everything, you still be making a lot of money. You believe in the market. Market always goes up. It's proven.
Well, my call is positive, so put my.
The Tesla is going up. Tesla has a good, it can go up a lot. Huh?
Yeah, I got a 295 call.
I'm gonna get a call too. Yeah, I like it. I like a call too. I'm gonna swing this for a week. Let's see. 11 days, guys. The way I don't play, I don't mess with it anymore. I already own some Tesla shares, so it's gonna help me monitor it. And since my wife got into a call and a put at the same time, I need to help her monitor this closer. So let's do this. Above the VWAP, market makers are nasty. People play the VWAP. People think when you cross the VWAP it's a call, but look at that, killed it. Below the VWAP, bounce back. Then 290 never touched the 290. That we have a new two level 291.18.
You done cooking? You done?
From a 5 minute perspective, I can see a
Wipe your butt?
downtrend happening.
Oh, okay, good. Wash
Let's
your
do a
hands?
trend line.
Oh, you wash your hands too? Good job.
Started from here. Actually, started all the way from
Wipe your butt.
thing happening all this time. But let's stick to our short time frame.
Oh, can I give you one noodle? Okay, can I make you happy? Okay, no.
We have another triangle formation here. Look,
I know you have big emotions. It's okay. But you don't have to laugh, okay? Breathe. Breathe. Say happy me. Can I give you one? One baby? Yummy. That's it.
it's being squeezed in this area. Boom, 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 boom. VWAP rejection up, down. I would expect one more rejection down, up and down, and oh, it's gonna be bad. I might as well start looking at Twitter to see what Trump and Elon are talking about. In 1 minute, yeah, Ichimoku rejection. MACD's at 46, not bad. This is not a zero DT that will expire today. In a smaller time, in a bigger time frame, 15 minutes, this is what we have. It was yesterday at 318, 320. Big drop to the 320s, 219, 290s. Recuperated abruptly to 302 in the second midnight session. During the day, that we haven't had any recovery really, just keep going down. And then we had the triangle that we drew right now.
Why are you being such a baby?
It can actually retest at 288. I wouldn't be surprised because that's the lowest of the day. That's similar to here. Like lowest of the day was 293. And then what happened? It went to 317.
Right.
More bad news.
Wow. Wow. Great.
30 minutes out of 4 hours. We can put some automatic rules so we don't lose money on this transaction. So I bought it at 198. I'm gonna sell it at, if it goes down to 158, sell yourself. But when you go to 400, now I'm gonna sell this. Maybe I'm gonna sell it at 700. That's $700. That's 700% profit. Let's go. I know you're laughing, but you'll see. I'm gonna put it rounded up. Market makers know what you. They know what you. They know what you're thinking. That's what market makers do. That's just before you know, they know already by a millisecond, and that's enough for them to make enough money. So you have to be extra careful. SPY. It's been the reason also got into a call for case. It's been going up. It's been a nice bounce back on a SPY. QQQ, same. IWM recuperating too. Big bounce from the 218. Let's see if it holds. VIX going down. It's cooling down. Cooling too much almost. Mm-hmm. Costco, come on, Costco, go to 800, man. I can buy you. I can buy 0.1 shares. Costco, nasty Costco. Hate you. That's a cup and handle. That looks really bullish. Wow, that's interesting. It's interesting. Look at Costco. Same thing. Come on, man. Go down one more time. Don't break this level yet. Oh, baby. Okay, let's go play.
Don't make me angry.
No, you don't want to eat. That's nothing.
Mommy angry.
Plus 1 360 30
We are back looking at SPY. SPY is being a beast above the Ichimoku clouds towards the VWAP. QQQ behaving in a similar way. IWM, let's put this up a little bit. IWM also recuperating in a nice way. VIX is cooling down, going down. As VIX goes down, VIX could fill up this gap before. That means it keeps going up. That's crazy, SPY. They don't care about politics, war, nothing. Just keeps going up. How's the Tesla call doing? Nice green candle. I am already at. It's important to look at the percentages, not the money. But really, this is a more expensive plate earlier, but this is 2% up a little bit. We have some price targets, obviously. Go back to 311. Should we go back to 312? A strong area for Tesla. 312, 322. On the way low, too, we need to consider the way low, which is okay. The secret of this is risk management. If it breaks, if it doesn't go the way you want it, you need to cut your losses fast and let the runners keep going. How much did it go? So Tesla went to 288. That's crazy. I put it at 215, but today it went 7% down. But total profit, oh, that's different profit. Oh, nice. Okay. That's what I need to look at. Not the day profit. One, 2%, total cost, market value. There you go. Should buy a little bit more Tesla. But Tesla is, even though I like the technology and everything, it could go down. Let's clean this.
Underwear.
Whoa, Tesla, you are not messing around. Above the VWAP.
Underwear, some here. I was wearing underwear, so you don't get this.
SPY still a little retraction at 620, but it's okay. There are cycles always. Just to cool down. Even VIX going up a little bit. Something. As expected. Should come down, cool down RSI like these. Touch the cloud, maybe the VWAP. Maybe go back into this trend. All the way here, or maybe a big dump from earlier, like this candle. Look at this. In 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, it dropped from almost 300, 294, 291. Not only they did it twice, almost like 1, 2, 3 times. I could put my stop loss already, but it's a swing. I believe this can get to 312 in the next week. Next week is 7 days. It's a long time still. Comes back over. If it goes back to 3, yeah, that will put me on the money pretty much. Go back to 355. Oh my God. Look at this wicks. Dodgy candles fighting. Same here. Look, it touched the up. Dodgies. Well, let's create some levels on the upside. Obviously, this has been broken. We can replace this with a new one. Look at that. From here. Started from here. Choo! Excuse me. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you, really. Look at this nasty trend line that I see. Change the color a little. I have blue because on the top. I don't like to make it red at the bottom. Let's get closer. So they couldn't pass this. Came back. It's not out of the trenches. When it touched the 293.55 exactly on the dot. That's the resistance before the big dump over here at noon. Yeah, RSI needs to cool down. This should come back to this levels right here. Right here, this level. Look at this. Let's see if it holds. Matches from top to bottom. If we think it's gonna go on the positive side, we could do this. Oops, sorry, that's the extension. That's the time frames that for example, if you move that much in that fast, it tells you the time frames, and which is very nice. But not right now. We're gonna talk about that on another other day. When here, it retraces all the way here. Let's turn this beautiful thing into a nice yellow. No, yellow, no. Yes, okay, there you go. See, test this level. I can come back to the 292.39. But the bulls are there. People that were selling and buying at this level at 292, they're there. And again, I'm looking at the spine, going down. QQ bears are there on every index. Let's look at some news. Negative. I mean, I feel like the negativeness is already been priced in on everything. Like this is the negative news. Like wow, so negative though. You know, you can always scalp puts really quick. Get in, get out, get in, get out with puts. Oh my, 302's average price. Look, if somebody says that Tesla can go to 115, that would be interesting. More outflow than inflow. This looks bullish to me. Well, one more hour. It's 50 minutes for the market. I'm hungry. I'm gonna put this on mute. Get a snack. All right, welcome to the channel. We're gonna keep doing a deep dive on Tesla, review the Fibonacci extension that we have here. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker so you can see. But this is the levels that we can see. The lowest of the day at 288, it went to the top. It retraced back hardcore within the first couple hours, and then the choppiness started. And according to the extensions, we can see that possible areas 297, 290, but we see it here that it went up to 294. It came back to the 290s and started chopping within this area. But also, I drew some trend lines right here as it's going up. We have this trend line, the blue line, that actually comes from early in the morning, and it broke. When it broke this, that's when I realized we need to get into a call. Right now, the possible target area is 294, but also you can look and see. We're gonna draw this. We're gonna draw this right here. We're gonna draw extended line. There's gonna be some decision point right here between this point. That's why I stop right here. Stop right here. But I think the bulls are there. Ichimoku cloud is strong above the VWAP. The volume is high here. You can see the volume of buyers. MACD is not overextended yet. It can go to 50s. It's like around 20s. RSI is getting high though, but not as high as it can get. Let's keep an eye. Let's make this shorter. But yes, I can see 5-minute view is breaking through this triangulation. Fibonacci give us the target area 295, 296, 297, all the way to 302, 309, and 317, which was the price of yesterday. Yesterday, the price of Tesla was 317. That's why I bought a 327 call. I'm 9% up already for that call. So we can put a move of stop losses on the down low. We can go to 273, 281. The stop loss should be placed if we break the low of the day. Low of the day is 291. Otherwise, no stop loss on this. 9% up. 9% up is we bought it for 198. Now it's worth 218. We can move stop losses like this with a visual element. So I'm going to sell it at 200. That guarantees that I'm already making money in this transaction. And my target is $700. I can go back to bed. All right, that's it. I need to prepare for the next meeting. But thank you all. Have a wonderful day. We'll continue this tomorrow. I can make my screen bigger. Oh, sorry, Shani. I can make it bigger, of course. Let me see. Increase my definition. Make it. Let me see. Settings. I can make it 720. Yes, high definition. Okay, you can update it to 720 megapixels now. 720 pixels. That should give you a better definition. I can do it 15 minutes view. No, 5 minutes. 5 minutes is good. Auto. We can see the targets, and I can see a SPY bouncing at 619. QQQ bouncing at 551. IWM being strong support at 219. VIX cooling down. That's nice. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna. Let's see. Maybe it's gonna be a power hour. But at least we have our stop losses in place. I can raise my stop loss I'm gonna sell it more. I'm gonna sell it more at 205 now. So I guarantee I'm in the money, making money. Okay, I gotta go get ready. Much love. Bye bye.